From the trading floor of the NYMEX, I'm Jill Malandrino for TheStreet. And Zook, let's talk some crude because you had a great call there at 62. It was a short, and that certainly has played out.
Well, now the technical picture has created a big spike above 61 for about $1.50. So unless we get back and hold above 60, the technical picture is certainly looking lower right now.
Fundamentally, nothing has really changed, though.
Initially, the fundamental picture never changed, and that's why I had gotten a little bearish up there because we're still seeing a glut of crude.
All right, we've got to talk about the metals because we had the jobs number today, and gold. Let's talk about that because it looks like they're going to push out that interest rate hike.
Well, it was a sweet spot report for the jobs number this morning. Not too big that they were going to expect anything changing from the Fed anytime soon, so the rate gets pushed off a little bit. Initially, you had a big reaction in the euro or the dollar. Euro went down significantly, took gold down, made a new low on a day, and then euro turned around and reversed the gold also and put us back above 1190. Still having that difficult time getting above 1200. Technically, he's getting a little sideways action, and unfortunately, I'm still feeling that we might push lower.
Right. Well, you know what, the trend has been like that all of 2015, jockeying around the $1,200 level. So it seems as if that's going to be the case at least out through June, September.
As we get closer to any sort of decision, that'll definitely push gold lower. And in between, we're going to have that tight range volatility. And sometimes on a day like today, you see it all in one day.
All right, let's wrap it up with Mr. Copper because that has had a very quiet move and has really been outshining the metal space.
Copper seems to mirror other things at times. Yesterday, copper was following the crude all day. Today, copper following the dollar. So we've had a good little movement here to the upside. Actually developed a technical pendant formation, which we broke a little bit to the downside today. Stochastics are significantly high. Some of the reports of material is not that much showing up in LME anymore. We could see maybe some material coming out. Until that happens, I'm not going to get super bullish, but I'm a little bit of a buyer on dips in the copper.
Okay, thanks very much, Suki. From the trading floor of the NYMEX, I'm Jill Malandrino for TheStreet.